Good morning, sunshine. Good morning, sunshine. I'm happy to see you here. I am here to tell you a really great thing. What it is, this makes my heart sing. It says you can now add extensions from the Chrome Web Store to Microsoft Edge. Click on Add to Chrome. Hooray! And I want to tell you about this extension. It's a free extension. I have used this for a long time before. I'm really happy to see it in the Chrome store, and I can put it on Microsoft Edge, like 50,000 plus users. It is a great tool, simple to use, and I'm going to add it to my Microsoft Edge browser now because I am using Microsoft Edge, and it will add it automatically to the Microsoft Edge. If I want to add it to my Chrome, which I was able to download, I had problems doing that a little while ago, but I was finally able to download Chrome. I would need to be browsing in my Chrome browser. Since I have my Microsoft Edge open, it is going to add this to the Microsoft Edge. So here we go. Ready, set, and add to Chrome. And it's checking. It says add bit.ly powerful short links to Microsoft Edge. The extension can read and change your data on API-ssl.bitly.com, which means it's going to add things to my file in their on their website, which is great because it's really easy to do things on the run. My McAfee web advisor is scanning to make sure it's okay. So it says use this extension by selecting this icon, manage your extensions by clicking settings and more under extensions. So I just wanted to mention that this is something you can do. My name is Sister Sue. You can also find me on Pinterest at Sister Sue Hotel Dieu. And I look forward to chatting with you. Come and tweet me and subscribe, please. Thank you. God bless you. Remember to pray. Things change that way. Have a great day.